Let's talk about how to use AI for web design to enhance creativity and efficiency. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the landscape of web design, offering tools and techniques that allow for more efficient and creative workflows. AI in web design mainly functions to streamline the design process, adding efficiency and advanced capabilities. Numerous AI tools are available to aid designers or average business professionals in creating cutting-edge websites. These platforms can basically generate you a website with some information you provide, tailoring user experience through personalization, and optimizing websites for search engines. One of the AI web design tools we really like is 10Web. 10Web is a comprehensive WordPress website hosting and building platform that aims to simplify the process of creating, hosting, and managing WordPress websites. Also, Site123. Site123 is a web-based platform that offers a user-friendly solution for individuals and small businesses to create websites without the need for design or coding expertise. Another one is AppyPie. AppyPie is a no-code development platform that allows individuals and businesses to create their own mobile apps, websites, chatbots, and more without any programming knowledge. Also, Elementor has added AI functionality. Elementor, while predominantly known as a powerful drag-and-drop page builder for WordPress, has also started to integrate AI features to enhance the web design process and improve user experience. Next, let's talk about some ways to incorporate user experience with AI. Designers should leverage AI-driven analytics to monitor user interactions and adjust UI components autonomously to improve the overall experience. Implement AI-driven A/B testing to optimize design elements like layout and color schemes. Personalization through AI creates a more engaging user experience by presenting content and options more likely to resonate with the individual user. Another key aspect to point out is how AI can automate graphic and visual design for websites. Visual design automation leverages AI to streamline the creation of images, colors, and logos, enhancing the efficiency of the design workflow. AI-powered tools can generate images and art, reducing the need for extensive graphic design resources. With content writing tools, web designers can have a website up in no time. AI-generated content has become an indispensable tool for web designers and content writers seeking to improve productivity. Rather than starting from scratch, designers can use AI to draft site copy and product descriptions. AI excels in tailoring website content to individual user preferences, leading to highly personalized experiences, such as content recommendations. By suggesting relevant articles or products based on user behavior. Dynamic content adjustment. By altering website text to reflect the user's past interactions with the site. Here are some of my final thoughts on AI for web design. The integration of AI into the web design process represents a significant leap forward in efficiency and customization. Designers can harness the power of AI website builders to streamline the creation of websites, ensuring a cohesive structure and engaging user experiences. In summary, AI tools in web design should be embraced to improve productivity, creativity, and personalization, all while maintaining a commitment to user-centric principles and ethical standards. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found the video helpful. Check the description for links to recommended AI software.